So we got our material right here, and I'll be using this vice jaw and this piece of wood to press it into shape. So I'm going to start going around. I want these sides to all be about 1 inch. So I'll grab my calipers and keep checking. Still a little bit big right there. Okay, after working it a little bit longer, it looks to be about 1 inch on either side. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Okay, now at this point I have this straw. I'm gonna use it to cut a hole. Okay, now that all the features are cut, we can go ahead and measure the length of these sides, and then we'll do the diameter of this hole on the inside. Okay, I'm getting about 1.018 for that side, getting about 1.012 for this side, and then finally the diameter of this hole is about 0.491. And that's our finished part right there. Now for the closed die forging part, I wanted to use the cap to this little box that I made. We'll be making a part which reflects the cavity on the inside of this. So we got our material. And now we'll use this to press it in. And I want to be sure to get into the corners. Okay, now that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna try and get the shape out. All right. Clean up the edges a little bit. Okay, now we got our final part. Let's go ahead and measure it. So I'm getting about 1.240 for this side. Then I'm getting about 1.24 for this side. Okay, so now we've made both parts using both the open die forging and the closed die forging method. Both parts were in tolerance and have every feature that I provisioned for those. Thanks for watching.